All right, so now that you know the model number 1 and the model number 2, there's gonna be more model. Okay. By the way, I want you to join the small Discord that is in the link of the tool. So basically, when you get access from the tool, you also get a little link that you can join, and in that link, you're gonna get access to a Discord. That Discord is specifically for this model. I don't want anybody trade anything in there. Okay, but anyways, this Discord is gonna be a read-only Discord. I don't really want to see like conversation in there. You can use my main Discord for that if you want to talk with other people and share your IDs and stuff. But and this Discord is gonna be super simple, but you get the link. So when you get the link, what I was saying is like you're gonna be able to see the new model that I released. Okay, I'm gonna release probably around 10 models utilizing this tool only. Okay, just this tool, you can have 10 and probably 10 more plus model that you can use based on that only. Okay, but now I want to show you the settings of the tool. So basically, you're gonna get access to the tool automatically when you sign up. The tool has been delivered every Friday at 8 a.m. Okay, so basically it's just the way that it works. Okay, like it's a waiting list. Every week there's a waiting list, so you can sign up for the waiting list. And on every Friday at 8 a.m., I'm just like, it's just approving everybody. Okay, it's all automated, so I don't do anything. So basically, this is what the tool looks like. Okay, that's a very cool looking tool. When you see a red box, that's a bearish hot sauce. When the box is green, that's a bullish hot sauce. So like you want to look a little bit for more for a buy or a short. You see how the price react to all of those middle point right there? Like price go external, raid some high, return like there, go lower, take some lows, retarget this, go a little bit higher, retarget this. Price always come back like a boomerang to this box because that's a balanced state, like in the first video I have explained you, right? So let's go here and over the setting. I want to go over the setting quickly. I don't want to go like 2 hours on this video. It's going to be very simple. But basically, you can see the SMT, okay? Smart money technique, smart money, correlation, inverted correlation, like utilizing previous low, previous high, stuff like that. So you guys know the language, but also we put some sort of like explanation on how to use it. It's pretty detailed, like as you can see right there, it's extremely detailed. Okay, but you can choose the basically the pair that you want to compare with. As you can see right here, there's a correlation, inverted correlation with the XY. So when you put your mouse over the SMT, you can see, oh, that's the XY. Okay, so that's very cool. So what does that mean? That means here, this low is higher on the XY and this is lower on the XY and basically higher on your USD. So that's a comparison, like it's inverted correlation of this right there, and that signals some stuff. Okay, so like I don't need to go in detail what an SMT is. You have ICT video that's gonna explain you everything in detail. What is an SMT and how you can take advantage of that. But this show you some sort of SMT based on the time frame that you want and stuff like that. Okay, so I don't need to go in detail with the SMT, but that's an extra confirmation. Okay, that's it. So the setting, I'll go over the setting and then we're gonna go over some example after the next video. Okay, so the cool thing about the hot sauce is we always take comments from people. People always says, I don't have the big trading view plan. I'm not able to put like 4 indicators on top of each other. Like I'm very limited on my stuff and all of that. So like basically we've been very generous with this tool. That's a quick gift for the community. Basically, that's pretty much 1 year that we've been able to provide the community like high quality script, high quality tools with 2 degrees, and that was just a gift for the community. So like hopefully you guys enjoy that. But basically you can put the alerts. Okay, so you can set up the alerts. It explains you in detail following the step on how to add the alerts. Okay, here it explains you what is an SMT, how you can activate an SMT, how you can use this SMT a little bit. That's a Kraken correlation, as you can see right there. Hot sauce number 1 setting. So you can have in 4 hour. If I was you, I will probably start with just 1 time frame. Okay, don't explode your brain on day one. Okay, take your time and start with higher time frame. I would say start with a 4 hours, start with a daily. Don't go in the second chart yet, don't go in the minute chart yet. You're gonna explode your brain, you're gonna just ruin the experience. Okay, like try to take the time to go from a higher time frame and slowly decreasing. Okay, because a lower time frame is going to give you more signal, but also they're going to be a little bit less accurate, because it's just a lower time frame structure vs a bigger structure. Like the balance rate is not the same and all that stuff. Okay, here you have the time frame. So as you can see here all the autos are deactivated here, but the first one is activated by default. That's the 4 hour right there. So you can choose the time frame you want. You can change the color of the bearish one. You can change the color of the bullish one. You can extend to price. You also extend to the candle close. If you are in the 4 hour time frame, let's say, okay, you can extend that box right here. You can extend it to the 4 hour close. That's pretty cool. Okay, that's a pretty cool feature. Here, if you want to backtest, you can show the history, but as well, if you, let's say, you have another auto sprinting and you want to work still on the previous one, you can show the history and see multiple autos and just work with that. The C right there is going to be 50% of the box, like we talk on the model number 1. You want to utilize the 50% as your premium discount balance range. Basically, the change in state of delivery is going to be red by default. You can change the dotted line dash, put all the options possible. Like, we don't want people complain, oh, I cannot customize the tool. You know, I'm addicted to white chart, so I want to use like gray box and I don't like the colors. It's great. I mean, you know, I respect everybody. Like, so everybody can customize the tool the way that they want. Okay. Order block, you can show the order block. It's a solid black line for now. Show SMT, it's a gray line solid with the tag. And you can see here SMT withstand. Explain you a little bit what it is. Order block and explain you a little bit what it is as well. Changing the state of delivery in the market is a point of reference that algorithm remember and it's sensitive to. It's just give you some sort of like explanation about everything. Okay. Consequent encroachment refer to midpoint of equilibrium price point within the hot sauce box. So I don't even need to explain you how to use the number 2 right here, the number 3. And that's not the model, right? That's just the fact that you can utilize a 4 hour. And then if you have your 4 hour setup, you can start using like a 15-minute setup and try to find something that can show you, you know, a retracement. You see there's a small bullish right there. But let's go on a 5-minute, let's say. I'm not giving you any example. Like there's another example right here, but I'll just put the story. So on the, it doesn't show you anything for now. I think there was like too many bucks. That's probably the reason. It's 15 minutes. So there's possibly some little like thing that we need to adjust, which is not the end of the world, but I'm going to look into this. Might looks like a bug. But so that's the video about explanation on how to use the setting of this tool. And hopefully I'll see you in the next video.